Writers! Today we're going to learn about something called embedded clauses. That might sound complicated, but it's actually a really simple idea once you see it. By the end of this, you'll be able to take basic sentences and make them sound more detailed and more advanced. Let's think of a sentence like a sandwich. You have your top bread, your bottom bread, and then something in the middle. The bread is your main sentence. The middle part is extra information. When we put extra information inside a sentence, that's what we call an embedded clause. It's like building a better and more interesting sentence sandwich. Let's start with two simple sentences. The boys play soccer. The boys are running fast. Now, you could just leave them like this, or maybe connect them with the word and. Both of those work. But there's actually a more advanced way to combine these ideas so the sentence flows better and sounds stronger. Instead of two separate sentences, we can take the extra information and put it inside the main sentence. So let's look at these two. The boy plays soccer. The boy is running fast. The main sentence is the boy plays soccer. The extra information is that he's running fast. So combining them into one would be the boy who is running fast plays soccer. Now everything is in one sentence and it sounds smoother. Instead of stopping and starting again, we just add detail right into the middle. So what is an embedded clause? It's extra information that sits inside a sentence. It gives more detail about something in the sentence. And here's the more important part. It's not a complete sentence by itself. It needs the rest of the sentence to make sense. Sometimes embedded clauses are surrounded by commas. For example, the boy, who is running fast, plays soccer. Those commas are like signals. They tell the reader, hey, this part right here is extra information. If you remove the middle part, that extra information, the sentence would still make sense. The commas help separate the main idea from the added detail. So, why do we use embedded clauses? Well, we use them to make our writing stronger. Instead of short, simple sentences, we can add more detail right into one sentence. That helps the reader picture exactly what's happening more clearly. It also makes writing more interesting. You're not just saying basic ideas, you're adding description and personality to your writing. And overall, it makes your writing sound more advanced, like a skilled writer who knows how to combine ideas smoothly instead of listing them one by one. Let's look at a few examples. The girl who loves art is painting. If we take out the embedded clause, we just get the girl is painting. That still makes sense, but now we don't know anything about her. Adding who loves art gives us more detail about her. In the next one, my dog, which is Fluffy, is sleeping. Without the middle part, my dog is sleeping. Again, that works, but it's less interesting. The embedded clause adds description. In the next one, the car that is broken won't start. Without the embedded clause, the car won't start. The embedded clause here explains why. Now notice something important. If you just said, who loves art, or which is very fluffy, or that is broken, those by itself is not a complete sentence and it doesn't make sense. That's because these are embedded clauses. They're meant to be part of a bigger sentence and add detail, not be by themselves. So, in conclusion, embedded clauses are a way to add extra information inside a sentence. They give more detail, make writing more interesting, and help your sentences sound more advanced. They can sometimes be set off with commas, and they don't make sense by themselves. They need the rest of the sentence. If you remember one thing, it should be this. Embedded clauses are like the middle of a sandwich. They make the sentence better by adding something extra inside.